Hello everyone, and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios. Today, we embark on an architectural style, the modern ranch house with an integrated garden. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Far from the suburban tract homes of yesteryear, these contemporary ranch designs offer a seamless blend of single-story convenience, expansive indoor-outdoor living, and thoughtfully curated green spaces. They represent a lifestyle that prioritizes ease of living, connection to nature, and an aesthetic that is both clean and inviting. If you are drawn to homes that effortlessly blend comfort with elegant landscaping, where every window frames a verdant view, then this episode is crafted especially for you. We will meticulously define the essence of a modern ranch house with a garden, explore the profound benefits of choosing such a dwelling, and provide expert insights on how to design these harmonious residences to achieve both aesthetic brilliance and supreme livability. Let's establish a clear understanding of what modern ranch house with garden truly signifies. It's a powerful and evolving architectural concept that fuses the classic single-story layout of a ranch home with contemporary design sensibilities and a deliberate, integral connection to its surrounding landscape. A ranch house, often called an American ranch, California ranch, or rambler, originated in the 1920s and gained immense popularity post-World War II. In essence, a modern ranch house with a garden is a thoughtfully designed single-story home that maximizes comfort and accessibility while creating a profound, harmonious relationship with its outdoor environment. It's a sophisticated sanctuary where architecture and nature are inextricably linked, offering a lifestyle of relaxed elegance and seamless indoor-outdoor living. The choice to embrace a modern ranch house with an integrated garden design brings forth a wealth of benefits that significantly enhance comfort, lifestyle, and overall well-being for its inhabitants. Firstly, and perhaps most immediately apparent, is the unparalleled indoor-outdoor living experience. Ranch homes, by their very nature, are designed to sprawl horizontally, allowing for extensive direct access to the outdoors from multiple rooms. When this is coupled with a thoughtfully designed garden, the lines between inside and out blur completely. Large sliding glass doors, expansive windows, and accessible patios mean that the garden becomes a natural extension of your living space, allowing for al fresco dining, seamless entertaining, and a constant visual connection to nature. Secondly, these homes offer exceptional accessibility and ease of living. The single-story layout eliminates stairs, making them ideal for all ages and mobility levels, from young families to retirees planning to age in place. This design simplifies daily routines, enhances safety, and facilitates easy navigation throughout the entire home. Furthermore, maintenance can often be more manageable without the complexities of multi-story structures. Thirdly, there are significant wellness and biophilic advantages. Research consistently shows that a strong connection to nature positively impacts mental and physical health. A well-designed garden provides a tranquil backdrop, reduces stress, and offers opportunities for gardening, relaxation, and fresh air. Finally, they provide ample opportunity for personalization and privacy. The expansive footprint often allows for distinct zones within the home, a private master suite wing, a guest wing, or a dedicated home office, all with their own garden views or access points. The garden itself can be customized to reflect personal taste, whether it's a vibrant perennial border, a low-maintenance xeriscape, a tranquil zen garden, or a productive vegetable patch, creating a truly bespoke living environment that nurtures both the body and the soul. Choosing a modern ranch with a garden is choosing a life of serene comfort, natural beauty, and lasting value. Designing a modern ranch house with a garden to look truly exceptional involves a holistic approach where the architecture and landscape are conceived as a single, integrated entity. The goal is to create a seamless flow and visual harmony. Begin by establishing strong indoor-outdoor connections. This is paramount. Utilize large expanses of glass, such as sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling windows, or even bifold doors, that visually and physically connect interior spaces, like the living room, dining area, or master bedroom, directly to the garden. The goal is to blur the boundaries, making the garden feel like another room of the house. Define outdoor rooms within the garden. Just as you have distinct rooms inside, create functional zones outside. Design a main patio for dining and entertaining, a secluded lounge area, perhaps a fire pit zone, or even a small, private meditation garden. These rooms should be easily accessible from corresponding interior spaces, often delineated by subtle changes in paving, pergolas, or low landscaping elements. For the architectural aesthetic, embrace the modern ranch's signature clean lines, low-pitched roofs, and horizontal emphasis. Choose a refined, often neutral, exterior material palette that complements the natural colors of the garden. This could include white or light-colored stucco, natural wood siding, cedar, redwood, dark metal accents, or precisely laid stone. The simplicity of the architecture allows the garden to truly shine. Finally, integrate thoughtful lighting and hardscaping. Low-voltage landscape lighting can illuminate pathways, highlight key garden features, and create a magical ambience in the evening, extending the usability of your outdoor spaces. For hardscaping, select materials that complement the home's exterior, perhaps concrete pavers, natural stone, or decomposed granite for pathways and patios. These elements provide structure and functionality, tying the garden seamlessly into the home's design. By meticulously planning both the architectural and landscape elements together, your modern ranch with a garden will become a captivating and highly functional retreat. To further inspire your vision, let's explore 10 outstanding modern ranch house design ideas, showcasing the versatility and beauty achievable within this contemporary single-story framework. One, the glass-wrapped courtyard ranch. This design features an L or U-shaped ranch layout that embraces a central, private courtyard. Expansive glass walls on the interior-facing sides of the home allow every room to have a view of, and direct access to, this serene outdoor oasis, blurring the lines between indoor and out completely. 2. The split-level modern ranch for slope sites, ideal for gently sloping terrain. This innovative design subtly incorporates varying floor levels within its single-story footprint. It allows for differentiated ceiling heights, creates distinct living zones, and often features a walkout lower level that opens directly to the garden, maximizing natural light and views across the elevation change. 3. The Pavilion-style ranch. This modern ranch is designed as a series of interconnected, distinct pavilions, each housing a specific function, e.g., living/dining pavilion, bedroom pavilion, garage pavilion. The connections between them are often glass corridors, creating a highly transparent home that integrates seamlessly with multiple garden vignettes. 4. The Black and Wood Modern Ranch, a striking and sophisticated aesthetic featuring dark, often black or charcoal, exterior cladding, such as fiber cement or vertical metal panels, contrasted beautifully with warm, natural wood accents, cedar, redwood, for entryways, fascia, or feature walls. Large windows with dark frames complete this bold, contemporary look. 5. The mid-century inspired ranch revival. Paying homage to its roots, this design updates the classic mid-century ranch with modern finishes. Think low-slung rooflines, deep eaves, large picture windows, and a blend of natural materials like stone and wood. Interiors are open, with a focus on clean lines and a connection to expansive outdoor patios and gardens. 6. The Zen Garden Ranch. This design emphasizes tranquility and minimalist landscaping. The ranch's clean lines and neutral exterior palette are complemented by a Japanese-inspired garden featuring carefully placed rocks, raked gravel, water features, and strategically pruned plants, creating a meditative outdoor extension. 7. The Sustainable and Eco-Conscious Ranch. This modern ranch incorporates advanced green building practices. It might feature a highly insulated envelope, solar panels on a low-pitched roof, rainwater harvesting, passive ventilation, and drought-tolerant native landscaping, all contributing to a reduced environmental footprint without compromising style or comfort. 8. The cantilevered modern ranch, a dramatic architectural statement where sections of the home appear to float or extend out over the landscape. This creates dynamic forms and unique covered outdoor spaces below, often highlighting the structural prowess and modern design sensibility. Materials are typically sleek, like concrete, steel, and large glass panels. 9. The rustic modern ranch with exposed beams. While still modern, this design incorporates elements of rustic charm. Exposed heavy timber beams and vaulted ceilings, natural wood finishes on walls or floors, and a large stone fireplace provide warmth and texture, contrasting beautifully with the home's clean lines and modern furnishings. 10. The farmhouse-influenced modern ranch, a popular blend that marries the casual, welcoming feel of a farmhouse with the single-story convenience and clean lines of a modern ranch. Features might include white board and batten siding, gabled roof elements, large covered porches, and abundant windows that look out onto a more traditional, lush garden. As we conclude our journey through the captivating world of modern ranch houses with integrated gardens, it's clear that these homes offer a truly harmonious and desirable lifestyle. From their accessible single-story layouts to their seamless connection with the natural beauty of the garden, every element is designed to elevate everyday living into an art form. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern ranch house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.
Farmhouse.